Good morning, everybody. It's such a beautiful fall day outside. I could not help but sit out here and film a crochet video. I hope you enjoy. We're going to learn the slip knot today. It's super, super easy. I'm going to show you how it's done. So if you have some yarn, let's go ahead and get started. This is how you generally start any chain or any crochet project. So what I'm going to do, just hold my yarn with my pointer finger and thumb of my left hand, or with your right hand, depending which handed you are. And I'm going to go ahead and make a loop. It's like a little window. And then I'm going to show that yarn through the window and back. Once you can see it in back, you just grab it and pull. That's all there is to it. Let's do that again. Make a window. See your yarn through the window. Grab it and pull your two ends here. Let's show you one more time. I'm going to make a window, make a loop. It's like a little window. Show your yarn through the window, like that. And you can see your yarn through the window. Grab it, pull it through the window, grab your two ends, and pull. And that's all there is to it. You can pull this tail end right here to make it bigger or smaller. And I had pulled on it to make it smaller, and then you're ready to start crocheting. Hope you enjoyed the video and have an awesome day.